Hi Monali,
Hi, hi.
how are you doing?
I'm good. How are you?
I am also fine. How's life there in Switzerland?
It's good. It's beautiful here. It's good.
Okay.
अच्छा लॉकडाउन था इधर.
So since how long you are there in Switzerland?
Um, I actually came before the lockdown started in Mumbai.
Okay.
Because I kind of knew that there'll be a lockdown because it
Okay.
was happening in Europe before it happened in India. So,
Yeah.
but I didn't know that I'll be here for like so many months.
Yeah. But that is a good thing for you, na? You are there with Mike for so long.
Yeah, this is the first time we've actually spent so many months together without any work interruption. So yeah.
Okay, Monali, firstly tell me, what is the condition there? What is the status there? The whole world is suffering and there are a lot of things happening around the world.
Uh,
How the life is there?
it is actually, it's lockdown is kind of a joke here compared to what's going on in India because we were never in like a home lockdown situation here, so we could go out,
Okay.
but only like maximum of 5 people in gathering. But now I think even that is uplifted.
Yeah.
Everything is on, malls, restaurants, everything is open. We are not having any concerts or anything like that here, but yeah, but it's not like how it is in India right now.
So life is better there right now.
Yeah. Social distancing here, but it's not so crazy strict. Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So are you missing India by any chance?
Oh yes. Every single day, like, hey, कब वापस जाऊंगी मैं? Whatever it is, you know how much how beautiful this country is. Even our country is very beautiful, but you know it's that's I'm born and brought up there, so I'll have like yeah. I cannot compare any other place on earth to that.
Okay, Monali, your wedding news has come as an secret shock, I would say. I mean, like, what made you keep it a secret, and that is for like 3 years?
I know. Even I ask myself the same question. How come it's more than 3 years now? And
Okay.
yeah, I think I was shooting for something, and I was extremely busy when we decided to get married, because Mike stays. We were so many miles away from each other, and
Yeah.
two different countries with visa situations and everything. So and we knew that we wanted to be with each other. So I think he proposed to me, and I was also like, okay, the guy is proposing, what to do? So I said yes, and then eventually we got hitched, and we decided. I kind of said that to announce it suddenly without a wedding or anything will be like my own people will kill me, like friends or
Yeah.
acquaintances
Yeah.
will kill me.
Yeah.
And then we kept it hidden for some time, and then it eventually became 3.5 years and more. So
So no more plans of doing a like grand wedding ceremony or something with all your friends and family, the
we were.
great Indian wedding?
Yes, a great Indian wedding. I don't know. I will never do a very grand wedding. I think it's meaningless. But no, no. Of course, wedding will have to happen. But now that it is announced, I'm glad. It's a बहुत बड़ा बोझ हल्का हो गया मेरे मेरे ऊपर से. So now when everything world comes back, I mean, we have no reasons to celebrate honestly right now. When everything
Yeah.
comes back, I think that's when we will celebrate our wedding again.
ओके एज यू सेड आपको पता था कि दोस्त काफी नाराज होने वाले जब उन्हें पता चलेगा सो टेल मी व्हाट काइंड ऑफ रिएक्शन यू रिसीव्ड व्हेन दिस न्यूज़ केम आउट कि शादी हो गई है वो भी 3 साल पहले.
So honestly speaking, my very close friends, obviously they know. Yeah,
अच्छा.
they were also there. We had a nice night at St. Regis. We just celebrated the registration.
Okay.
So in 2017. But the biggest problem was that they just didn't know what to do, because I would say you will not tell anybody. So if anybody would कोई दूसरा इंसान अगर शक करके पूछता है कि is she married, they used to get in a position that oh shit, this girl is making us lie, so now at least they are relieved that they're not having to do that. It became it's mean of me to ask them to lie on my behalf. So abhi they're happy. The ones who knew, they're happy about the fact that they don't have to hide anymore. And the ones who didn't know, they're like, oh, हम लोग दोस्त नहीं थे क्या? हम लोग दोस्त नहीं थे क्या? बताया कैसे नहीं? उनके like relax. So I'm handling one at a time. Yeah.
What मतलब as you said कि रीजन थे कि बाद में बताएंगे या ठीक से अनाउंस करेंगे. हो नहीं पाया. But what made you announce it now? कि अब बता देते हैं. Now it's high time.
My entire team were like, now you should. You know, I think everybody was fed up. I think eventually एक एक करके जो जितने लोग थे सब जान रहे थे, but still nobody was being able to say it because yeah. So and I was also like in some interviews I blatantly had to lie. I'm sorry about that, about my marital status or my yeah, like that. So it was becoming very so yeah, I think 3 साल was enough to hide it. We eventually had to say it to everyone. Yeah.
Okay, coming back to your.
I'm just gonna say hi to everyone. Hi everyone. Hi. So many. Oh, so sweet.
Yeah, they were waiting for you since a long time now.
Hi. Yes, please.
Okay, so talking about your song Dil Ka Kapoor, you know, we see you with your partner, and I believe he's not from the industry and he's not an actor. How did you convince him to, you know, to act with you in your own song?
Bibi अगर बोलेगी, if Bibi will say it, if the guy has to keep the marriage, then he has to do what she says.
Yeah.
I think that's what happened with Mike. Poor souls. So हम लोग यहाँ स्विट्जरलैंड में शूट करते. We had actually Mike was not the choice first. There was a very good looking model from Germany जिनको हमने we had locked him. But then we started questioning that ये जो गाने का जो music video है, if you see it, it's a very simple love story based in the winter season of mountains and Alps or whatever. So udhar chemistry बहुत important था between the boy and the girl. And you know, in movies or in any other storytelling or anything, people meet first and you understand if the chemistry is there or not. There is an ice breaking thing. But ये हमें वो मौका ही नहीं मिला था to do that with the German guy, actor model. Yeah, so we were very tensed, nervous that most doesn't matter how he looks, doesn't matter anything. It's about the chemistry between the boy and the girl.
Right.
And that we were not sure of. So then we decided not to go with him, and because one of the guys from my team, they said, "आप Mike को क्यों नहीं लेते?" And I was like, actually, it's not a bad idea. And then, okay, Mike, you have to come and do it now. And he's like, what? Why? How? And all that. And then I said that, come, you have to do it. And then हम लोगों ने जबरदस्ती से acting करवाया. हम लोगों ने हंस के मर के shoot किया.
Okay.
And it was funny, but it was fun. Yeah.
So I'm sure कि as he is not an actor, तो obviously उनके लिए थोड़ा difficult रहा होगा. But if you could share any particular moment, you know, when you felt like कि कैसे करवाऊँ इनसे, और he's kind of give up कि नहीं मुझसे नहीं होगा ये सब.
No, his only thing I said that so he loves eating food. He is a foodie, like ऐसा foodie मैंने life में ही नहीं देखा. और सबसे अजीब बात है that he's not born and brought up in India, but he loves Indian food. So the moment I say कि I'm going to cook for you, yeah, he will do anything. It is true. Yeah, so it's literally like that. And believe me, it is like that. I said that I'm going to cook so much of food for you. You do lots of food. And because of food, he did. It's not about money. He doesn't need money. Nothing. Yeah. He just wants food. So I'm going to make a lot of food for you. And he happily did it. So in every take, he was getting so bored that he's yawning like so he's yawning constantly in every take. So he has to be romantic, yeah.
Right.
And, he surprised me that on screen he can be so romantic.
Okay.
In real life, he's like, let's work, let's do this. He's like, he's a German.
Okay.
It was I don't know. सारे moments ही बहुत funny थे because every time we would laugh like crazy because whenever Mike is trying to act, he's becoming so awkward. और हम लोग भी कोशिश करें ना हंसे उसके ऊपर. So, but I think because we were having fun, the energy came across in the music video. Yeah,
the video is looking superb.
Thank you.
Guys for the video, and why did you decide to release it? I mean, anyway, you were supposed to release it now, or because of the lockdown you decided to release it?
Because of the lockdown, we were supposed to release it before, but it got pushed because suddenly lockdown came. We were not aware of that. So हमने ये दिसंबर में शूट किया था. और we were just figuring out. Basically, I shot we have 4 songs to release independently today, so we were prepared with that. The shoot was done by December, January, and for all the songs, एंड देन ये वाला हम रिलीज करने वाले थे, बट ये लॉकडाउन का चक्कर आ गया. But then eventually, finally, thank God we could release it.
Yeah, and the response is also nice.
Oh yes, yes, it has been so nice. You see, my channel is a new channel, YouTube channel.
Yes.
So, to the way they are responding to my song is the exactly it means a lot because it's an independent song. Yeah.
Yeah.
But हमने कोई we have left no stone unturned to make it. Give it all our heart and to make it as fun and entertaining as possible, even though it's we say it independent. So sabne itna, I mean, the comments are all, we have 98 or 99% positive comment and feedback, and the organic views that we are getting, it's fantastic. So we are we are actually very happy about what's going on.
Okay, so now when you have burst this big secret to all of us, I would really like to ask, when did this happen? Where did you meet him, and when did you decide yes, he's the one who I can share the life with?
ये बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस है और बहुत सारे हादसे हुए हैं हमारे माइक और मेरा. 2016 I met him जब मैं यहाँ यूरोप में आई थी for IFA. So IFA was in Madrid, if I'm not mistaken, for an award show, and so I had my performance and the award, I was nominated. So before the award ceremony, my friends, girlfriends, and my brother, we decided to just have a backpack trip in Europe somewhere. So मैंने Switzerland choose किया था, and I chose one of Mike's houses, or Airbnb homes. So actually वो Airbnb home के वजह से I met Mike. So he was the host. Just we bumped into each other. He saw me, and I think उसके बाद से जो चालू हुआ, तो उसको प्यार हुआ. And my friends and my brother, they're singing all old shady, cheesy romantic songs. जब भी Mike और मैं बात भी करेंगे, they would start singing old romantic songs behind us in the background score. It was very funny, and that's how it kind of started. And उसके बाद all I know is after 6 months he proposed to me in Christmas Eve. ठंड के मारे मैं कांप रही थी कि डर के मारे कांप रही थी, मुझे याद नहीं, but हाँ बोल दिया. That's what happened. Yeah.
What was your family's reaction when you told them about him, that he's a guy from Switzerland and I want to marry and settle?
Actually Mike India आया था, so काफी बार आया था. हाँ, he came. He was a very good boy. He came and he met my parents. Though none of them can speak each other's language. My mom and dad, my mom especially, she's not so good in English. Mike is also his is German English. So both of them are इशारों में ही बात कर रहे. मैं भी Mike के father से मैं भी ऐसे इशारों में बात करते. But हम conversation हो जाता है हमारा अच्छा खासा. It's a very hilarious situation for both the families, but I think that's the more exciting bit of it.
What, according to you, Monali, the best part of, marrying into some other culture?
There are actually wonderful things. I always have found it very exciting to share cultural values, because of the workspace, also the career that I have. I travel so much and I meet so many different people. And it is just fantastic to learn the good things from one culture and try to infuse it in my own lifestyle and mindset and everything, and so that way I have learned a lot from Mike and Mike's family, and I think even he has learned a lot of things that he was not aware of. So सबसे बड़ी बात के जो चीजें यहाँ पर मुझे पसंद है कि बहुत humble होते हैं actually, और जो जितना respect वो छोटी छोटी चीजों को करते हैं. For example, animals have literally equal rights, यहाँ पर I wish it could be the same there. Value and respect and for space and everything is there. So ये सारी चीजें, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं जो, and then how much they're aware of environment, how much in day-to-day life, कितना they actually are, they do it very responsibly. So I have learned many things, and Mike ने सिखाए हमारे सभ्यता के जो अच्छी चीजें हैं वो he has learned that how people actually, how much people can fight to survive in our country. There are so many different kind of people with such little resources, but still with such happiness they live, talking about the ones who do not have any resources, but still they have so much life within them. Yeah, they still do not complain. They still continue with a smile on their face. There's so many things. So I love that aspect of cultural exchange. Yeah.
Okay. Also, Monali, you have a successful career here. You have given so many hit numbers. So,
Thank you.
how are you managing this thing till now? Obviously, you must be managing. It's been 3 years now. But still, I would like to know how is it manageable for you to be in Switzerland and then India and then, singing songs, making songs?
It has been a roller coaster ride for me, honestly speaking, because मैंने इतना पैसा मेरा गया है for flight tickets. The airlines they know, even the immigration department they know ना. अच्छा आप हो चले गए. So they know that constantly. There have been situations where I had a concert, suppose in India, Delhi, or anywhere.
Okay.
I would just fly for one day, finish the concert, come back.
Oh my God.
Because I had work here also. So
Okay.
So it's like I was taking flights as if मैं लोखंडवाला से होशियारा जा रही हूँ. ऐसे मैं flights ले रही हूँ. And सब मुझे बोले तू कर कैसे रही है? मैं कहा मुझे भी नहीं पता. I think like I'm taking advantage of my age, my youth still, and doing this. It has been quite a roller coaster ride, but I think I love it.
Yeah. Okay. So, but going ahead, you are planning to stay there only and work here in the industry.
Nothing like that. I don't think I can leave India ever. It's not possible. No, abhi main idhar stuck hu. This is the longest time that I have spent here.
Okay.
But, I think I would like to make it 50-50%. But when the travel happens, see for my songs and all that, it doesn't take so many days. You see, so I can just एक project के लिए जाके आ सकती हूँ. But any which way, like I think the way I was functioning, I'll function like that, and I don't think it created any problems.
Yeah. So, Monali, what are your upcoming projects, which you can disclose to us other than this?
The songs, all that I've worked on, the songs are supposed to any which way right now, and nobody knows what is going on, honestly speaking.
Yes.
आधे टीम काम करने के लिए ऑफिस भी तो सब हम Zoom में ही काम कर रहे हैं. Zoom calls में सब काम चल रहा है. We all know about it. See, you're taking my interview like this right now.
Yes.
So till the time it doesn't resolve, I do not know honestly. So, but yes, the songs, obviously, the ones that we have done. In fact the next song का video का काम चल रहा है अभी.
Okay.
So yeah, that's the plan first. But for now, Dil Ka Fitur. I just hope that we can make it reach out to people.
Yeah, I'm sure it is reaching out to people. I also saw the song. I really like the location especially, and obviously you guys, the chemistry was amazing.
Thank you. I hope. अगर इधर भी chemistry होगा तो problem है.
And you know what? When I saw the song, I didn't knew that he is Mike. When I saw the song, after that I came to know, okay, so he is the one.
Yeah, उसको बहुत बुरा लगा. I'm kidding, but he's like, they're calling me a restaurateur. Yeah, I am not a restaurateur. I know. I think because they saw the video and they saw you as a waiter in it, they thought that maybe you have the restaurant business. And I am laughing. I'm saying, your information went wrong. Now the whole world thinks you're a restaurateur. He's like, I'm a hotelier. I said, yeah, but they don't know. कल से फालतू के लिए चल रहा है. Hi everyone, I should just say hi to them.
Yeah, please.
Otherwise they think that hi Mona, this is Makash. I'm Makash. I'm saying Makash. Hi Monali, your voice are so cute and you're looking so beautiful. Thank you so much, Akash. Hi Shubhajit. Hi Nitesh. Saleh. Hello Ashya. So many. Hi everyone. Hi. Sanket, to get his name called, is calling World Beauty, Monali.
Wow.
Thank you. It was very flattering. आप लोग जाके प्लीज गाना सुनिए दिल का फितूर प्लीज और बताइए कैसा लगा.
You know what, Monali? So my favorite song, that is Momo Ke Dhage, is by you.
Thank you. So nice of you. Thank you.
Okay, Monali, also
Raya Roy said, I really like, I think she missed out but I think she's saying your song Dil Ka Fitur. Thank you, Raya. And Momo Ke Dhage. Yeah, you were saying something. Sorry.
Yeah. Also, I would like to know, you have done acting also in your career. You have also been a judge on a reality show. So how will you be continuing doing that also?
Absolutely, absolutely. Nothing has changed in my life. I just have found a beautiful partner in my life to share all the good things of my life with. So that's the only thing. There's nothing else that has changed. Of course, I'll be working and more energy than ever. So yeah, of course.
Okay. Lastly, anything would you like to say to your fans?
Yes. Firstly, तो सब please खुश रहने की कोशिश कीजिए. I know that it's a crazy, crazy time, and everybody has been so strong because I keep following. I mean, I've always been stuck with my own family, my friends, everybody. So my heart goes out. If I could be of any help to anyone ever, I always will be in my whatever I can. Just yeah. Till that time, you have good music to listen to. Listen to good music and keep your heart and mind calm and happy. And lots of love, and grateful for all the love that you guys have given for actually all the songs, including Dil Ka Fitu that you're already giving. Yeah, that's all I can say now.
Thank you so much, Monali, for joining us, and congratulations for the marriage.
Thank you. I shall say that to pass that to Mike also.
Sure, sure. Please do that.
Yeah.
Thank you so much. Take care.
Bye.
Hope next time we meet and then do the interview.
Yes, hopefully. Hopefully life comes back to normal.
Yes, yes. Take care.
See ya.
Bye. Bye-bye.